Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is convert date to binary. LeetCode 3280. So here, in this question there is given a date in form of year, month and date. You have to convert them into a binary number. Okay. So here is a given example. 2080 is in year, 02 is in month, which is Feb, and 29 is a date. So you have to convert them into a binary. So this given in an integer form. So let's do this. This is the easiest question. You just have to write the code for binary conversion of binary. So let's do this. First I will convert year, string year equals to binary conversion. This will be my function. I will define later. stoi is a direct function which can be used to convert string to integer. Date dot sub str 0,4. Okay. In the same way, you have to find for a month string month equals to binary conversion stoi date dot sub str 5,2, and for date also string date is equals to, sorry, it is a day, binary conversion of stoi date dot sub str 8,2. And after this you just have to return year plus equals to, and then plus month day. Let's write the function for binary conversion. String binary conversion. Let's pass int num, and then if num is equals to 1, then you have to return to string function 1. Okay, and then string bin is equals to, which is initially empty, and then we will find the binary form. While num bin is equals to string num modulo 2 plus bin, and num by equals to 2. And after this you just have to do the cout bin comma and l. Okay, this will print the function in another line and return the bin. So let's run this function. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.